Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're stopping by for the first time, this is De'Belle Makeovers. You're welcome. So today's tutorial is an updated eyebrow routine using eyebrow gel. If you prefer using eyebrow pencil, the link to that tutorial is in the description box. You can check it out. Okay, let's get started. So the very first thing I did was to apply primer on the eyebrow and the area surrounding it. That is because I'm doing the brows first. If I were doing the skin first, I would have primed the entire face. Once the primer dries down, I'll use this hair wax to brush and arrange the brow hairs. I want the hair to be stretched, to be sleek. So I'm going to use it to lay it down, and I'm going to use it to brush the brows in the direction that I want. So I'm brushing the beginning part upwards, and then as I go, I'm slanting the brows. And then when I finish doing that, I'm going to use my hand to press it down to make sure that the hair stays in place like that all day. If you're going to be using an edge control, make sure it is not oily. It has to be one that is not oily so that your brows don't get oily during the day. If you have a clear lash glue, you can also use that to hold your brows in place. A transparent bar soap will also do the trick. So this is the brow gel I'll be using today, Karite, in the shade Brown Ink. It usually comes with an applicator. It's like a very small, tiny, angled brush, which I use to draw the brows. Please don't mind my applicator. I know it has seen better days, but a regular flat angled brush would also do the job. Just make sure that it is very flat. That is the number one point. Your brush has to be very flat. If it's not flat, you will not be able to get a precise outline like this. So I only picked a little amount of the brow gel, and I'm using it to draw a line. That's for the lower outline, just the way you would draw it if you are holding a pencil. It's just the exact way. The only difference is the products that we are using. So now I've moved to the upper outline now, and I started from the middle point to the arc, and also connecting it to the tail of the lower one. So I'm not going to outline the upper part to the beginning, because I want the front to look a little bit more natural than the remaining part of the brows. Don't forget I said your brush must be very flat. If your brush is not flat, you will not be able to achieve precise false hair-like strokes like what I'm drawing right now. So with my flat brush, I'm mimicking the hair that she has, and I'm drawing short strokes that look like hair in the places where there are no hair. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you can see how I'm just drawing short hair-like strokes to fill everywhere that there's gap in our eyebrow. If at any point while you are doing this, you notice that your brush is no longer flat, just take your wipes and use it to press it together, or use your fingers to press the bristles of the brush together so that it can be flat again before you continue. Make sure it is flat. It is only then that you'll be able to get precise strokes. Now that we are done filling in the first eyebrow, this is what it is looking like right now. So we're going to go ahead and also do the same thing for the second eyebrow. So in case you didn't get it the first time, please pay attention to this one. I'm sure you will get it. If you're enjoying this eyebrow tutorial so far, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share to your friends so that it can reach a lot more people. And also please follow me on other social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. It's the same there, De'Belle Makeovers. Please follow me, connect with me there. Thank you. To highlight the brows, I'm going to be using these two concealer shades. The lighter one will be for our arc area, because I want that area to pop. The darker one will be for the beginning part of her brows, and also the tail, and also the upper part of the brows, because it's closer to our normal shade. I'm going to be applying the concealers with this flat brush. Don't forget I said your brush must be very flat. It's only then you can get sharp clean and precise eyebrows. I'm starting off with the darker concealer for the beginning part of our eyebrow, and I'm also going to move to the tail with the same shade of concealer. Then for the middle part, I'm going to be applying the brighter concealer. So when we are done, that area is going to be the brightest. Next, we are going to be using this fluffy blending brush to blend the concealer and make it smoother. Note that I'm only making it smoother. I don't want the intensity of the concealer that I applied there to reduce. So all I want is just to remove any streaks or lines that have been left by the brush I used to apply it. I want it to still pop. I want it to still retain the brightness. It just should be smoother, that's all. Once I'm done blending out the lower part, I'm also going to highlight the upper part, but I'm going to be using the darker concealer that I used for the beginning part because I want that upper part to easily blend into her foundation when I apply it. I'm also going to blend it out with the blending brush when I'm done.
Keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer. I want you and I want you
Now to the final touch. So using the same tiny angled brush I used to apply the eyebrow gel, don't mind the back of my hands, I'm applying the lighter concealer in strokes, in lines, in between the eyebrow gel strokes I applied earlier. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So in between the gaps, I'm applying the lighter concealer so that I can have more defined line. This step is actually optional, but it will lighten the brows and make them look more natural. That's why I love to do it. Please don't forget that you are supposed to use very minute amount of concealer, like very tiny amount. If you use too much concealer, it's going to mess up your brows. At the end of this video, you'll see the finished look. If you would like to see how I created that look, do let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you were able to learn from it. If you did, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and also share this video to your friends. And if you've not subscribed to my channel by now, please subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.